Hi guys, what's going on? So today I'm at home and I thought I'll show you a few tricks on how to freeze motion. So let's get started. So for this shot what we're going to use is this glass with some water in it, and we're going to use this lemon and we're going to drop this lemon into the glass, creating a splash, and we're going to try and take a picture of it, and we're going to try and freeze the motion. Let me show you my setup that I've got here. So to start off with, we've got the camera on a tripod and we have the wireless flash on the top ready to go. Over here we've got the glass and we're going to top that up with water, and as you can see it's on a placemat and I've put it over this dish, this cooking tray, just because when the water does splash, as you can see, the water is going to go everywhere, and this is just to catch it. Over here we've got the stand, and what I've done, I've just clamped some greaseproof paper or tracing paper on there, just to give it as a background. And what this is going to do to the flash, which is behind it, is going to soften it out. The flash is just on a stand and it's connected to the wireless, ready to go. First things first, what I want to do is take the shot without the flash to show you what it might look like if you didn't have it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to top up the water in the glass. And now we're going to set the settings on the camera to get the correct exposure. So I want to bring it down to maybe hundredths of a second. ISO's got to go up because it's quite dark. 1600, and I've got it at F5. So now all we have to do is take the lemon, we're going to drop it in the water, we're going to take the shot when it hits the water, and we'll see how it turns out. Ready? Very messy, water went everywhere. Let's see what that shot looks like. So, as you can see, a very dull, blurry picture. The water's just going everywhere and you can see the motion and it's just not cutting it. This is where the flash comes in. The flash is going to flash at the same time behind the greaseproof paper, soften it out, but it's going to freeze the water, hopefully, in mid-air. So let's have a go at that now. I've put the wireless flash back onto the camera and it's all set up, ready to go. I've changed the settings now to 1/250th of a second. This is the sync speed. I've put it to ISO 800 and F10. The F10 just to give me a decent depth of field and make sure every droplet is in focus. All we need to do now is drop the lemon back into the glass and try and take the picture at the same time. So let's try that now. Ready? There we go. Let's see if we got it. Let's have a look at the picture now. So there you go. Great picture, and the water is frozen because of the flash, which is what we wanted, but I'm not happy with the front of the glass and the lemon. It kind of looks like a silhouette, which kind of looks too dark to me. I would like to see the yellow of the lemon. So what we're going to do is we're going to put another flash in front. So I've got another flash here. I've set it to low power. This is only an analog one, but I've set it to low power and slave. And what the slave is going to do is when the main flash goes off, it's going to tell this one to flash. So they're both flash at the same time. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to set it here, just off center, pointing at the glass on low power, and this should flash and illuminate the lemon. So let's try that now. We need to top up the water again. Make sure the camera's in focus. I put it on manual focus, by the way, and put it on the glass so we make sure it's in focus. Everything's set up. Let's get the lemon again and let's have another go. So there you go. What a fantastic effect. You just need your towel to wipe yourself off because yeah, it gets a bit wet. And this lemon has had enough today, so we're going to put that back. But yeah, it works with anything. If it's raining and you want to do a portrait, put the flash behind the people and you'll get all the rain. So I hope you like this video, I hope you like the pictures and the effect, and try it out for yourself. See what you can come up with. Try it with strawberries, anything. Yeah, so if you like this video, please press the subscribe button, like, comment, tell me what you think, and I'll see you next week. Bye.